Right guys, these Tangs came out just outstanding. I want you to look at that. Just solid. I'm just really tickled with the outcome of these. There's a little bit of D-lam, just a slight bit. It's not even very deep right there. These just came out really nice. And I'm going to put these together and build them. Here's the titanium pins for the, you can see I've shortened the Tangs. Titanium pin. Cold welded with steel reinforced 5,020 pounds per square inch epoxy. These are going to be really strong, and I'm really happy that I went ahead and did this for these two knives. I didn't think it would, just the result that we got. The welding they did on this was just amazing. Just look at that. It's like a solid piece that I made the Tang like that. I just can't get over it. So this is really cool. These will be cold welded, and you got I'm going to have to shorten this titanium pin a little bit for that one. And I'll get them built completed here the next day or two, and then I'll throw another video on here for you guys. Pretty cool.